The CGIAR Regional Integrated Initiative for East and Southern Africa, Ukama Ustawi, has pioneered the groundbreaking virtual field tour, a mechanism for fostering diverse perspectives and inclusiveness through tech-infused experiences. Inspired by our community of spirit, the 150 plus partners we work with in the region, many of whom would love to see and experience firsthand the work that we are doing in different countries and communities, but unable to get there physically, the virtual field tour concept was born. Our CGIAR team of experts and our video crew go into the areas we work and live stream from there through an interactive online platform, allowing our virtual field tour participants the opportunity to engage actively with local stakeholders, partners, and innovations. In an era marked by the lack of resources, the need to reduce our carbon footprint, technological advancement, as well as the push for inclusivity, the virtual field trip allows us to virtually share and engage with experiences from the region.
Good morning, good afternoon. Thank you everyone for joining our virtual field trip. Today, our virtual field tour will showcase some of the work that we're doing on farm with mechanization as well as conservation agriculture practices.
How farmers there are getting services through the SMEs that are there. What kind of SMEs are these, including the mechanization services or input services?
ACT have also been working with Hello Tractor, and Hello Tractor is a financing model called ASUL, focusing on the medium scale farmers who can acquire tractors. So that is also another avenue. If we get good financial mechanism that can be able to support service providers as well as farmers to acquire this equipment. If you see, some of these equipments are imported from Brazil. If we focus on building capacity for local production, definitely that will bring down the costs. And of course, now it will be made easier for the farmers to access.
How are women and young people who engage in agricultural activities, how are they perceived in the community?
75% of women in Embu are actually involved in the UU fields, but even the non-UU fields. And a lot more women actually have access to land and own some of this land jointly with their husbands or spouses.
So maybe they can talk a little bit around, what services they get from Calro and the county on data and training. I would love to hear a bit more on that side.
They train us on the timely weed management, time of pest management, and the timely top dressing period.
CARO also provide us with pesticides, and they also give us the knowledge about the mixing of the pesticide and the safe use.
First question was, to what degree did the virtual field trip meet your expectations? The second one, who would you like to meet next time? And if you could rank some of the stakeholders there, where would you like to join us next time? So we've got a few countries where we work in, and then lastly, what could we do to improve?
Thank you, everybody. I look forward to more of these being able to happen, to bring this kind of virtual field trip to you in different places across Africa, across the world, but most importantly that we get to be in Boaz, Pindi, the team. Thank you so much for those on the ground.
Kwaherini!
Kwaherini!